In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a comprehensive Minecraft command reference sheet for your Java Edition server. Let's get started. I begin by entering a prompt that establishes ChatGPT as my personal Minecraft command assistant, requesting accurate Java Edition syntax and detailed explanations for every command it provides. This initial setup ensures that the AI understands the specific game version I'm working with and the level of detail I need for my server management. Once the assistant is ready, I ask for 10 useful commands tailored for a survival multiplayer environment, specifically looking for help with teleporting, weather, and basic moderation. ChatGPT responds with a well-organized list that includes essential tools like teleportation syntax and weather controls, providing a brief explanation for each one. These results are incredibly helpful for quickly managing a server's environment and ensuring players are exactly where they need to be. To make things even more accessible, I then ask for a structured reference sheet categorized by world management, player management, inventory, and game settings. I specify that I want 3 to 4 commands per category to keep it concise but thorough. The final result is a professional-looking guide that covers everything from setting world spawn points to banning players and managing item distributions. Having this information organized into clear sections allows me to find the exact command I need in seconds during active gameplay. This categorized reference sheet is a perfect companion for any server admin who wants to keep their focus on the game rather than searching through wikis. As I scroll through the final output, you can see how the AI provides direct links and clear formatting that makes it easy to read at a glance. It's a simple way to streamline server administration and keep all your most used commands in one place. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.